Hi, now let me show you how a super machine works. Okay, so this is the machine, and the first thing we need to do is we need to switch on the power. Now let me take you through how I have placed this machine here. So we are using the tap water here. Now that is the connector which I have connected with the tap. So the water from the tap, it flows from it, from that through that connector to the first filter. From the first filter it moves to the second filter. From the second filter it moves to the third filter, which is a UF filter. Now since this is a UF filter, we need a booster pump to give some pressure. So the same tap water from the UF, it moves to the machine. So that's how the water supply is being given to this machine. Now I am using this machine to first let's see how Kangen water comes. So we switch on the machine and we press the Kangen water button, and the moment, if you see in the display, the arrow has started. So when the arrow starts, it means the machine is working. So the processing has started. Okay, so our tap water is now getting converted. Now look at the pipe. So in the first, this is the primary pipe from where this tap water we are getting the drinking water, which is the Kangen water. And now you also have a secondary pipe, that is the white pipe, flexible hose, which falls into this bucket, and this is what the acidic waste of the tap water, and which we call it as beauty water. Okay, now let me show you how this has been transformed. Now first I am taking the tap water in a glass. Okay, now this tap water, I am doing, I am putting the pH solution or the litmus solution here in this tap water. So if you look at the color of the water, it is actually a dark green color which has come. Okay, so this is what the tap water is, or our input water is. It has both the acidic waste and the alkaline minerals in it. Now after this water gets processed, now I am taking the Kangen water. Now in this Kangen water, if I put this litmus liquid, if you look at it, it's completely removed that acidic waste. Hence it has retained the alkaline minerals, and hence it is alkaline. Now where is this acidic waste? This is the acidic waste, or which we call it as beauty water. Now here also, if I put the litmus liquid, you see it is that's the acidic waste which we use it as beauty water. Okay. Now what people say, what we say is, the moment you change your water, your body which is in an acidic condition or in a bad condition, it moves to a good condition. Now if you are having a very bad lifestyle, or having bad food, junk food, you see our body deteriorates and it moves to an acidic condition. So this is the basic concept, which I explained. Now let me explain to you. In this same machine, we get different types of water. Now another two types of water is strong acidic water, which is our sanitary water, and a strong veggie wash water, which is used for veggie wash purposes. So I have pressed the next button. You see the arrow is flowing, which means now the strong word is also being displayed, which means our strong sanitary water and our strong veggie wash water is under production. So these are two different types of water which we get from different button. Okay, now same concept again. From top we are getting this sanitary water and the flexible hose which I have kept in a 10-liter can. This is the veggie wash water which I am collecting it in the can. Okay, now let me show you how this concept works. So I'm just taking this strong sanitary water. Okay, and I'm putting the litmus liquid. If you look at it, is extremely acidic. It is as good as hypochlorous acid being used in hospitals. Okay, now I am taking the veggie wash water. I am putting the litmus liquid. Yes, it's absolutely darker than our drinking water, and hence that is what it is. Now let me show you how this veggie wash is actually effective. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking some amount of gingerly oil in a glass, and we know that if we put water in oil will not break, it will just float. Okay, but the moment we use this veggie wash water, you see the difference, the oil breaks. That's the power of this veggie wash water, and that is this wonderful machine. Okay.